Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a hot minute since I last posted, but I'm back. So as you guys saw by the title, I'm going to be reviewing the DipWell at-home nail kit. So pretty much this is what it looks like, and it pretty much comes with everything you need. I decided to go ahead and do the build your own pick 3. So the build your own, it automatically comes with one base color and then you can pick 2 other colors. You can choose to get rid of the base color. I didn't. I will say that right off the bat, I've already done my nails. I'm making this after I've already filmed it. I filmed an intro earlier. It sounds weird as hell. I'm just so awkward. I literally cannot film an intro. It's just the most awkward thing ever. So because of that, I would highly suggest getting the base powder. I would not take that out. I would suggest getting that and just getting 2 colors. So again, I just got that with 3 colors. I got the color PA14, which is the pastel collection, and then the NA01, which is the natural collection. It's so simple, so easy to use. I will say I filmed a few clips here and there of me doing my actual nails. Pretty much I just walked through it, but as you'll notice when you do get the kit, it pretty much comes with a whole pamphlet and a how-to. So this is literally what I followed. Overall, like I said, I get dip powder every single time I go to the salon. So if you do, it's pretty obvious, even just by looking at everything, you pretty much know what you have to do. But I personally am really happy with it. So I am gonna kind of show a little bit about how I did it, kind of show you guys. I did do tips. So my natural nails were pretty short. So I decided to buy tips. I just used the Kiss. This is off of it, but it was just the Kiss, the long nails. So I did that, and it came in a kit like this with this glue. This is the intro. Hopefully I edit this so it's not fucking boring and you guys are like, can you just freaking tell me how to show it? If this intro ends up being long, guys, I will put in, it doesn't even matter now, does it? Because this is the end of the fucking intro. So why does it matter when I tell you to skip? So anyways, guys, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I do have like a little outro at the end, obviously, but if you don't make it that far, feel free to go ahead and subscribe to me now, like this video, go ahead and comment down below what you want to see after this. But to see me get these nails done, keep on watching. Okay, so now we are going to just go ahead and start. Okay guys, so I pretty much followed the directions. I will say that this color is super pigmented. So I literally did 1 coat of the base and finish. I did 2 coats of the dip color, and then I did 1 more coat of the base and finish. For some reason, the color itself looks very sparkly. When you put it on, it's very sparkly, but then when you put the top coat on, it pretty much mutes out the sparkle. And I'm not saying it's like shiny, like it's like sparkly, like pigmented sparkly, which is not what I expected. But again, once I put the base and finish on, it literally just looks pretty like normal. So again, it looks pretty normal. Again, I still have to go ahead and file them down and pretty much get them to my desired shape. And then of course, buff them out and whatnot. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished my nails. I think that they honestly look pretty good. So like these are them. I don't want to get like too close because it's like a little rough. I will say that overall I fucked up in the beginning because I ended up using this brush to wipe off the powder as you do between each layer, and I thought it was clean. It wasn't. I don't know if it had highlighter. I think it had some type of highlighter on it. So my left hand because that was the hand that I did first. It has a little bit of discoloration in the sense of it's not like pure white. I will say that in the beginning I said you could choose between 3 colors and get the base if you wanted. I would highly suggest getting the base because the color is super pigmented, so I actually only needed 2 layers of the color. So it was nice to have the base before and then of course it on top as well to seal it all in without adding too thick of a layer, because the color itself, she's thick. Like I've always got my nails done at the salon and I've never ever seen it go on like that. Again, overall it's very easy to work with, very easy to do. So I still have the base coat right here, so I have not screwed it in. As you know, with the nail salon, they always like wipe it down with acetone or something. I'm gonna do that before I fully screw it in. I made the mistake with one of like the CVS brand that I use, the Kiss brand, because it got stuck and I literally couldn't open it. That's why I threw it away. I was like looking for it the other day and I thought that I only threw away that, but I threw away the whole packet, so sick. But overall I really like it, so I'm going to show you guys. So guys, this is it, the final look. So as you can see, the cuticles are super rough, I will say that, but overall like they came out pretty well. Again, I really like it. Again, these are them. I think that they look pretty. I don't know how to do my hands. Why do I look like such a freaking like, why do I look like a witch? But yeah, overall they came out really well. I genuinely really like the kit. Like I said, I've only used like a CVS brand, but I really like this kit. They feel so good. I would definitely suggest this kit to anyone. It's amazing as a starter kit. For someone who obviously does nails all the time, I don't know how much they would like it, but of course for someone like me or anyone who has not done their own nails, I would suggest this. Overview, 1 out of 10. This is like the first one I've tried other than a CVS brand, so literally you guys are probably gonna be like, sick, your number means nothing to me. But I would probably rate it like an 8 out of 10. I do think that the color powder, it was great because you only had to do 2 layers, but I think it was very thick. The powder itself was a little odd. Like the way that the base and finish coat, I don't even know how to explain it. It's almost like a satin finish. It is so weird. Just like thinking about how they do my nails at the salon, this is very different. However, like the instructions, how to do it, the labeling of like each thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So simple to use, so easy to use. I would just say that it's gonna take some trial and error to get your nails the way you want it to be. Of course, the first time you do your at-home dip nails, it's literally not gonna be like the salon. I will say that in the instructions, it tells you to use an electric file. They do give you like a file and like a buffer, so you don't need it. I would say that if you have one, use it. I might go out and buy one if it's cheap. I think I saw it at CVS for like 20 bucks. So I honestly might get one on my own, but I'm also very nervous to do with my left hand because I'm not very good with my left hand. So that past video I literally was rambling on, so I don't even know what I said. So I'm just gonna film this now. Anyways, guys, thank you again for watching this video. If you made it this far, if not, I mean, I guess you won't see this, so whatever. But I really enjoyed making this. I really wanted to try this product out for a while. I've literally had it for a week and I've yet to use it because I wanted to make this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys go out and buy it. It's honestly a great product. This isn't like an ad at all. I mean, I think you guys can tell that by the amount of views and subscribers I have. No one is paying me to put this out there. But if you guys like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. I genuinely don't know what it does, guys. I don't know what a thumbs up does. I think it's good because maybe it pops up on people's page, but I just see every YouTuber saying, yes, thumbs it up. I don't know what it does. But if you guys want to thumbs it up, feel free to do so. I'm guessing it'll help me out in the long run. I don't really know. But yeah, so if you guys want anything else from me, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see, pretty much what type of videos you guys like to watch, not necessarily from me, but just in general. I love to know what people watch on YouTube. I think it's very interesting, so feel free to leave that in a comment below. And again, feel free to subscribe, like this video, follow me on social medias, whatever you want. For anyone who actually made it to the end of this video, thank you. I do really appreciate it, and I do plan to make more videos very soon. So thanks again for watching. Bye.